Imagine a future where human brains and computers could communicate directly. Does it sound like science fiction? Well, Elon Musk's Neuralink is trying to make it a reality. Welcome to the Dawn of Neuralink, the brainchild of tech billionaire Elon Musk, which aims to bridge the gap between our minds and machines. It's a bold leap into the unknown, one that Musk claims has already borne fruit with the successful implantation of a wireless brain chip in a human. The patient, he says, is recovering well, with promising brain activity detected post-procedure. Yet Neuralink is not alone in this race. Other pioneering companies have made similar strides, like the École Polytechnique Fédérale in Lausanne, which enabled a paralyzed man to walk again through thought alone. But as we marvel at this breakthrough, we must remember that true success in this field can only be evaluated in the long run. In the pursuit of progress, challenges are inevitable. Neuralink has faced its share of criticism and controversy. As we delve deeper into the journey of Neuralink, it becomes evident that this path hasn't been without obstacles. One of the primary criticisms that the company faced revolved around its testing methods. Reports surfaced in December of 2022 that Neuralink's testing resulted in the unfortunate demise of approximately 1,500 animals, including sheep, monkeys, and pigs. This sparked a wave of concern amongst animal rights advocates. Despite the criticism, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, tasked with investigating animal welfare concerns, found no violations of animal research rules at Neuralink. However, a separate investigation by the agency is still ongoing. In the midst of these controversies, Neuralink received a significant boost in May of 2023 when the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, granted permission for human testing. This approval marked the beginning of a 6-year study that aims to revolutionize our understanding of the human brain and how we can leverage technology to overcome complex neurological conditions. The procedure for implanting the chip is as fascinating as it is complex. A robot is used to surgically place 64 flexible threads, each thinner than a human hair, onto a part of the brain that controls movement and tension. These threads are connected to an experimental implant, powered by a battery that can be charged wirelessly. This implant can record and wirelessly transmit brain signals to an app that decodes how the person intends to move. This technology, as promising as it may seem, is still in its experimental stages. It requires invasive neurosurgery and will likely take many years before it becomes commonly available. Despite the controversies, Neuralink marches on with the hope of transforming millions of lives. The road ahead is filled with trials and tribulations, but with every challenge comes the opportunity for innovation and progress. As we continue to explore the realms of science and technology, we remain hopeful for a future where the boundaries of human potential are continually expanded. What does the future hold for Neuralink? According to Elon Musk, it's a product called Telepathy. Telepathy is not about mind reading or communicating thoughts over vast distances as we might have imagined from science fiction. Instead, Musk envisions a future where telepathy enables us to control our phones, computers, and almost any device with just our thoughts. Imagine the possibilities. You could send a text message, make a phone call, or even drive a car, all without lifting a finger. This could open up a whole new world of possibilities for those with neurological disorders who struggle with physical interaction. It's an exciting prospect that could revolutionize the way we interact with technology and even with each other. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While the potential benefits of telepathy are vast, so too are the challenges. The technology required to make this a reality is still in its experimental stages. One of the primary concerns is the invasive neurosurgery required to implant the device. We're talking about placing 64 flexible threads, thinner than a human hair, onto a part of the brain that controls movement and tension. This is no small feat and carries considerable risks. Furthermore, the technology needs to be able to accurately interpret and act on our thoughts. This requires a deep understanding of the brain and how it functions, something that scientists are still working to fully comprehend. There's also the ethical considerations to take into account. With the ability to control devices with our minds, comes questions about privacy, security, and the potential for misuse. These are complex issues that need to be addressed before telepathy can become a reality. Despite these challenges, the prospect of telepathy is exciting. It's a bold vision of the future that could transform our relationship with technology and potentially improve the lives of those with neurological disorders. The road to telepathy may be long and fraught with challenges, but the potential it holds could change our world as we know it.